day, late at night, not okay.
If you have missed the episode 2 of our Skardu series, click the pop-up banner above or the link given in the description below.
Hey, this is Nadia Marie Fize. I'm currently exploring different places of Pakistan, so come join me.
We are going to Mantoka Tree House and Mantoka Waterfall. I would like you guys to join us and enjoy the beautiful Skardu roads, the huge mountains, the river side by side, and the beautiful scenery.
It's quite cold.
We have reached our destination, that is Mantoka Waterfall, Mantoka Tree Houses. First, we are going towards the waterfall. That's what I've been waiting for this whole day. And you know what? This place is famous for its restaurant, its greenery, the waterfall, the tree houses, and the amazing blizzard. Like, one could spend hours and hours sitting here viewing the amazing waterfall. We went near to the waterfall so that we can get a shot of it and like to experience how it feels to be standing near waterfall in this cold weather. Even though I was shivering and shaking a lot because it was so cold, but I literally was enjoying standing near to the waterfall. Like, it was relaxing your mind so much.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
सर्दी लग रही है? How are you feeling? Huh? So cool?
After spending a lot of time near the waterfall, we came to these tree houses. Just look at them, how beautifully they are built. I would literally like to praise the builders. Thumbs up to the people who built it, they did a great job. And one more interesting fact about these tree houses is that you can even see the waterfall from these houses. Who wouldn't like to live in places like these?
Well, I am enjoying a lot. Right now, I can't breathe properly
Why?
because of all climbing that thing up. Ew.
Here I'm having the moment of my life. The air was so fresh and clean, just so I just took out my mobile and started recording myself. I don't even know what I was trying to do, but you know what? I was just feeling myself. It was quite refreshing and quite relaxing.
Oh, this place is heaven. Such a peaceful place. Isn't it? Let's go.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more evil.
On our way back, we went to this bridge, and this bridge was, something that we found very attractive. So we wanted to just cross the bridge to the other side. But honestly, the moment we started to drive the car on that bridge, the bridge was a little, shaky, which was kind of dangerous. So you need to keep the speed of the car very, very low. We are now gonna show you how shaky the bridge was even when the car wasn't on it. Like, look at it. It's literally shaking because of the very fast wind. back to our hotel, and on our way, it started to rain. I love it when I'm driving in the car and it starts to rain. And what's make it more beautiful is that when you're in Skardu with rain, you can witness the lake, the trees, the mountains, and even the road journey, the road ride is very enjoyable.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
After enjoying the whole day, we were quite hungry, so we went to this restaurant that was Say One. As you can see, the interior and the setup is quite friendly, family friendly as well, because they have set up a separate space for the families. And even the food quality and quantity is quite good, as we ordered some naan and chicken karhai. One more thing about this restaurant is even the prices are so economical.
Hello. What are you trying to do here?
I'm sending pictures to my friend. She asked for the days out.
Hey. देख के कब बना रहा वीडियो